Okay, let me show you one. We don't get too many of these Ridgelines traded in. People normally buy them, keep them forever. This particular one, the gentleman leased it. He actually just traded it in, got a brand new one. This is a one owner clean CARFAX RTL Ridgeline with the HPD package. Honda Performance Development gives you the fender flares, gives you the black wheels, gives you some different stickers or trim options. It has some door sill protectors. When I open the door here, I'll show you. Bed liner, standard with the Honda. It's also got an in-bed trunk. The tailgate opens up both ways. There's some leaves. It's fall here in Michigan, so they're starting to fall. But it's got a bed inside the trunk. That's where the spare tire is. That's lockable, independent from the vehicle. So it opens that way. It also opens this way. So you can open it dual action tailgate, they call it. It's got a tow package already on the car. They're rated to tow up to 5,000 pounds. Show you this side of the vehicle here. It's white. It's got tinted windows, black accents, black wheels. 28,000 miles, so super low miles. This one's gonna be Honda certified. Goes through a 182-point inspection. We check it over from front to back, side to side, top to bottom. Make sure that the brakes, the fluids, the filters, the tires, everything is up to Honda specifications, so they can back it with the 7-year, 100,000-mile warranty. Go to any Honda dealership in the United States. All the vehicles that we sell here at Victory Honda of Plymouth pre-owned come with a 6 oil change, 6 tire rotation program. That's good for 2 years basically, so your maintenance for 2 years is covered. 6 oil changes, 6 tire rotations. You can upgrade that to the CARFAX program, which could give you up to 5 years worth of oil changes and your other maintenance items like brakes and some other things. Definitely a good program to check out. 2 sets of keys right here in the cup holder. CARFAX, books, records, all the stuff comes with it. There's the miles, 28,000, infotainment center, moonroof up top there, power seat, you name it. Come check it out. Victory Honda of Plymouth, 315 Ann Arbor Road, Plymouth, Michigan. Give us a call, 734-453-3600. We look forward to helping you out. Thanks.